Subscribe my channel. First of all, like this video, share this with others. First of all, background is selected here. You can select any one color, then go to the shapes. There are multiple shape tools available. Draw any one shape into the screen. Choose its colorization. Color has been added to the shape. Go to the shapes again. Draw another shape here. Select its colorization. Color has been updated. You can draw and create multiple shape tools here. Select its color. It is added here. You can add and create multiple shape tools with different types of colorization. Edit. It will be updated to the shape tool. Adjust it into the screen.